If you're looking to secure new recruiting clients and candidates on a budget, essentially for free, then stick with me here as I'm going to show you a free LinkedIn strategy that you can apply as soon as today to get unlimited client leads and unlimited candidate leads using this tactic that most recruiters don't even know about. Let's take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an awesome little trick I'm going to show you on how to source clients and candidates using this free LinkedIn tactic and strategy, and really how to cultivate and build relationships on here. And I do sales calls and talk to a lot of people that are looking to start their own recruiting companies pretty much 5 days out of the week. And I always show them this and they were floored and never knew how to do this. Most recruiters don't even use this tactic. So there's so much you can do on LinkedIn. I'm a huge fan of it. But let me go ahead and show you this specific tactic that you can do as soon as today. Dive into it, have fun with it. The response rates are absolutely incredible. Let's get into it. All right, so all you do is go up to the query box on your free LinkedIn account. Don't worry about having LinkedIn Recruiter or Sales Navigator. This is free, right? And you're just going to type in a keyword that is specific to your recruiting niche, like a skill set. So I've got a lot of people that do medical staffing. So we're going to go ahead and type in occupational therapy, okay? And you just click the enter button. And then you're going to get all these selections up here, right? So what I'm going to show you today is the events one. However, let's not ignore the group one, the post one, the jobs. These are also really important and valuable because if you were to click groups, it's going to show you all the groups that are significant and pertain to occupational therapists. Really good to start networking with the people in the groups, join these groups, as well as posts. So if you click on post, anything related to occupational therapy in a post that was, and you can filter these posts by a time range. So maybe you filter it by the past 30 days, the past 7 days that are more fresh, and you can start interacting and engaging with people in these posts, as well as jobs. Anyone who's advertising for a job for occupational therapy, it's going to show up here. Why not look at these jobs, cross-reference them in Indeed, see who the decision makers are, maybe have Zoom info and start reaching out. But for this video, let's go ahead and click on event. Are you aware that LinkedIn offers literally a 24/7 career fair, virtual career fair for anyone in any niche? And for this specific example, for occupational therapy, here's all the virtual events that are coming up and some that have passed. So what I'll do is usually cruise down. I'm always looking at the attendee level. I want to get one that's got a significant amount of people. So for this example, it looks like this one right here, the AOTO Specialty Conference. Guys, I don't know much about occupational therapy. I have a lot of members who are in this space that love medical staffing. It's a great niche. So if you're watching this and this resonates with you, even better. But keep in mind, you could type in any skill set up here: IT analyst, cybersecurity, engineer, logistics. It doesn't matter. This works for any recruiting niche that you are involved with. So let's get back to it. Go ahead and click on the event. It'll load up. Now, you can read about the event, see what it's about. There's usually a description right here, see more, and you're going to see all the attendees here. I've already clicked this link to attend. That's why it's hyperlinked. However, when you do it, it's not going to be hyperlinked. So you want to click attend, right? No harm, no foul in doing that. Nothing's going to happen. Not the end of the world. Go ahead and click attend. You can always not attend. It's not a big deal, but that's the only way you can get access to the people. And when you perform this action, it's going to open up all the attendees. Voila. So here you go, guys. Here are people that are relevant to your recruiting niche. These could be decision makers. Like I would argue that this Dr. Wolf could be someone very high up, very influential. Why not reach out to her? Why not connect, send a message? And the message would say something like this. All right, so let's capture Dr. Wolf's attention. Let's do AOTA, and let me go back and see what it was. Specialty conference. AOTA specialty conference. And then we could do this and maybe, oops, spelt it wrong. Hang in there, guys. Had a lot of espresso today. Conference. Here we go. And I could do a bracket and put LinkedIn event, right? I'm just going on the fly here, guys, but something like this to capture their attention. And then we would do, hi, Dr. Wolf. And you guys can pause the screen and copy what I'm going to type here. I'm just freestyling this, guys, so hang in there, but I'm pretty good with ad copy and scripts when it pertains to recruiting. I see you are attending the AOTA conference on, and then go ahead and put the date, guy. I'm not going to go back. I'm saying like July, whatever. I will be there as well. I am very interested in learning about XYZ. Go ahead and click in what you're interested in learning about. Or you could say, hey, what are your thoughts on XYZ? And then you could end it with, is this your first link? Oops, hang in there, guys. LinkedIn event. Something like this, right? Ask some questions, be conversational. This is how I would start, though. I usually use this type of message for my recruiting niche, and I get an outstanding response rate when I do these type of messages versus just a cold outreach where it's along the lines of, hey, Dr. Wolf, I'm a recruiter. I specialize in this, and how can I help you? These prospects, these hiring managers do not care about that type of message because that's what every average lazy recruiter does. And that's not you, right? You want to be different. You want to stand out. So when you reference something specific, like an event, the reply rates and response rates are a lot better. It creates dialogue and it helps you really build your sales pipeline. Hope that helps, guys. Great tip there. Hey, guys, what I want you to do from here is please smash the like button, comment on this post if you got value from this. It really helps me expand my teachings, my curriculum. And in the description, you're going to find a link to set up a free demo with me. I can go over all the systems and processes and Recruitemy that can help you really scale your recruiting agency to over $20,000 a month consistently.